Imagine a life where every goal, every dream, and every wish you've ever had becomes a reality. Sounds impossible, right? Well, what if I told you that there are 6 powerful numbers that could change everything for you in 2024? Yes, 6 numbers, hidden keys to unlocking your true potential, your wealth, and your success. In today's video, we're diving deep into the wisdom of these 6 lucky numbers, each one offering a unique path to transforming your life. From focus to generosity, balance to wealth, these numbers hold the secrets to success that most people overlook. But here's the catch. You don't just need to know the numbers, you need to understand them, live by them, and apply them to your daily life. So, are you ready to step into a future of limitless opportunities? Let's explore how these 6 numbers can make 2024 the year you finally reach the heights you've always dreamed of. Let's begin. The first number, 1. The scroll read, Number 1 symbolizes the power of focus. Arian stared at the words, unsure of their meaning. For years, his mind had been like a chaotic river, flowing in 1,000 directions at once. He dabbled in projects, chased fleeting ideas, and took on commitments he didn't care about, all in the hope that one would lead to success. But each time, he ended up with nothing but exhaustion. Sitting by the riverside that day, Arian decided to change. He asked himself, what do I truly want? The answer was clear, to create art that moved people. Everything else, unimportant side hustles, social obligations, endless scrolling on his phone, had to go. That evening, Arian cleared a space in his tiny apartment and set up a dedicated studio. He created a schedule that prioritized painting above all else. Mornings were for brainstorming and sketching ideas. Afternoons, for immersing himself in colors and canvases. At first, it was difficult. Old habits tugged at him. Friends called, urging him to go out. His phone buzzed with notifications. But Arian stayed disciplined. He reminded himself of the monk's words, "Focus is the gateway to greatness." Weeks turned into months, and something remarkable began to happen. Arian's work transformed. The layers of emotion and detail in his paintings caught the eyes of art enthusiasts. A local gallery owner, impressed by his passion, invited him to display his work. The night of the exhibition, Arian stood in awe as people admired his creations. A critic approached him, saying, "Your work has a depth I haven't seen in years. What changed?" Arian smiled and replied, "I learned to focus." That single decision, to devote himself entirely to his craft, had set him on a path he once thought impossible. The number 1 wasn't just a symbol, it was a lesson in the power of unwavering dedication. The second number, 3. The scroll revealed, Number 3 embodies the principle of creativity and collaboration. Arian pondered the words. For years he had worked alone, believing that true artists toiled in solitude. Yet despite his efforts, his reach had been limited, his ideas confined to his own mind. The realization struck him. Maybe I've been building walls instead of bridges. Determined to change, Arian ventured out of his comfort zone. He attended local art meetups and exhibitions, where he introduced himself to gallery owners, fellow artists, and enthusiasts. Though it was intimidating at first, Arian soon discovered the power of shared passion. Conversations brimmed with ideas, and every interaction sparked new inspiration. One evening, Arian met Mira, a sculptor known for her innovative techniques. They struck up a collaboration, blending her 3-dimensional designs with his vibrant paintings. The fusion of their talents created something extraordinary, art that transcended individual boundaries. Their joint exhibition was a roaring success. Visitors marveled at the synergy between their works, and critics praised their creativity. Arian's reputation soared, but more importantly, his understanding of art deepened. Through collaboration, he saw perspectives he would never have imagined alone. Beyond the galleries, Arian began to see the principle of three everywhere. It wasn't just about partnerships in art, but also in life. He reconnected with old friends, engaged with his community, and even started mentoring young artists. Each connection enriched his creativity, adding new dimensions to his work. Standing amidst a crowd at one of his largest exhibitions, Arian realized the truth of the scroll's words. Creativity, when nurtured by collaboration, wasn't just doubled, it was multiplied. As the applause echoed through the gallery, Arian thought, "The number 3 taught me the power of togetherness. Alone, I painted walls. Together, we create horizons." The third number, 6. The scroll revealed, number 6 signifies balance and responsibility. Arian's life had changed dramatically. His art was now celebrated, his name featured in magazines, and commissions poured in from all corners of the world. Yet, as his fame and fortune grew, so did his responsibilities. The demands of clients, galleries, and endless invitations threatened to consume him. One evening, after a long day of meetings, Arian sat alone in his studio, staring at the untouched canvas before him. He felt drained, not from a lack of inspiration, but from exhaustion. It was then he remembered the monk's lesson. Number 6 is balance. Success without harmony is a hollow victory. The fifth number, 7. The scroll whispered, "Number 7 represents introspection and spiritual growth." Arian's life had grown brighter with success, but the pace of it all often felt overwhelming. Meetings, exhibitions, commissions, his days were packed, yet he felt something slipping away. He longed for the quiet clarity he had experienced at the riverside, where the monk had first shared the numbers. One evening, after a particularly exhausting day, Arian returned to that serene spot. The gentle flow of the river and the rustling leaves seemed to echo the monk's words. "In silence, the answers you seek will emerge." From that day forward, Arian embraced a new ritual. Every morning, before the demands of the day could pull him away, he meditated in his studio. At first, his mind raced with thoughts of unfinished tasks and looming deadlines. But with practice, he found moments of stillness, a rare calm that allowed him to listen to his inner voice. This daily introspection became his sanctuary. It sharpened his intuition, guiding him to make wiser decisions in his career and personal life. When faced with opportunities, he no longer felt compelled to say yes to everything. Instead, he trusted his instincts, choosing projects that aligned with his values and rejecting those that didn't. The effects rippled through his art as well. The more connected Arian felt to his inner self, the more profound his creations became. Critics began describing his paintings as deeply evocative, as though they held secrets of the soul. One day, a close friend asked, "Arian, with all your success, how do you stay so grounded?" Arian smiled and replied, "I've learned that inner peace isn't just a refuge, it's the source of everything I create." The number 7 reminded him that success wasn't just about outward achievements, but also about nurturing the spirit within. By reconnecting with himself, Arian found the balance and wisdom that made his journey all the more fulfilling. The sixth number, 8. The scroll's final wisdom read, "Number 8 signifies wealth and infinite potential." Arian studied the symbol of 8, a continuous loop representing endless possibilities. It reminded him of the monk's words. Wealth is not just about money. It's about how wisely you use your potential to create abundance. Inspired, Aryan took a step beyond art. He began investing his earnings thoughtfully. He studied financial management, learning the power of diversification. Part of his wealth went into real estate, part into supporting innovative startups, and part into creating a sustainable fund for his art projects. Each investment was made with care, rooted in his long-term vision. But Aryan didn't stop at building his fortune. He used his financial freedom to empower others. He started a mentorship program for young artists, providing them not only with guidance, but also with grants to kickstart their journeys. His initiative soon gained recognition, and others joined him, amplifying the impact. As Aryan's wealth grew, so did his influence. He became a symbol of hope and ambition, proving that creativity and business acumen could coexist harmoniously. His story inspired many to see their talents as the seeds of endless possibilities. One evening, while reflecting on his journey, Aryan realized the true meaning of the number 8. It wasn't just a symbol of material wealth, but a reminder of the infinite potential within everyone. Success wasn't about reaching a destination. It was about creating cycles of growth, opportunity, and giving. Years later, at a grand ceremony honoring his contributions to the art world and beyond, Aryan shared a simple message. Infinite potential exists in us all. When we unlock it, not just for ourselves but for others, true wealth follows. The crowd erupted in applause, but Aryan's gaze lingered on the figure of 8 engraved on the award. It was the perfect end to a journey that had taught him not just how to succeed, but how to inspire and uplift others along the way. And there you have it, 6 powerful numbers, each holding the key to unlocking a future of success, abundance, and growth in 2024. Remember, it's not just about knowing these numbers, it's about embracing them, living by their wisdom, and letting them guide you every step of the way. Now it's time for you to take action. Which number spoke to you the most? How will you apply its lessons to your life? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see how these numbers are already changing your mindset. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think could benefit from this life-changing wisdom. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more insights that will help you transform your life. Remember, the future is yours to shape. These 6 numbers are just the beginning. Keep believing in your potential, keep taking action, and watch how everything unfolds. Until next time, keep moving forward and let 2024 be the year you become the best version of yourself.